kids like ice cream, right?
Of course.
Yes, I do.
If you need to cool down with some ice cream today, all you need to do is pick up your smartphone. You have to have a smartphone, though. Uber, the San Francisco startup better known for an app that lets people order private drivers, is now offering ice cream on demand. You know, to me, you just hit the app and here comes the ice cream truck. There was always a magic to me that the ice cream truck just appeared.
Yep.
I'm not for this. I don't like this app. I don't want it, and I'm not going to use it. I'm on record because I just want to hear the little dee 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 dee, right?
And then you got to run around the neighborhood looking for it.
Absolutely.